I'm sipping on Bel Air. My chick from Bel Air. My whip from Germany. I'm cooler than LL. I'm sipping on Bel Air. My chick from Bel Air. My whip from Germany. I'm cooler than LL. I clap a nigga like pancake. I clap a nigga like pancake.
Hi guys, welcome back to The Naturally Jazzy, and today I'm going to be covering my favorites for the entire year of 2017. If you have been with me for a while, then you know I've had quite the bit of change to my hair. I have colored it at the ending of 2017. I have also chopped a bit of it off. I have gone through many ups and downs with my hair, protective styling challenge, all of the above, and I have been using quite the few products as well. I normally stick to one product line, but I did venture out this year, so I just want to cover that with you guys in this video. So let's get started. My first all-time favorite product I cannot live without is Shea Moisture's Sea Kelp Deep Conditioner for damaged and color treated hair. It is bomb. Like, when I tell y'all I love this product, I live by this product. I will never use another like deep conditioner leave-in type of situation in my spray bottle. Y'all have seen it in all my videos. I use the spray bottle, mix it with this product and also water, and it is bomb. I'm telling you, it leaves your hair feeling like butter. My second favorite product of Shea Moisture would be the hair mask. It is the I love the way it makes my hair feel. No matter how often I do it, it still turns out the same way, very soft and moisturized. My third favorite product would have to be the Shea Moisture's Slippery Elm Extra Detangling Serum. It is so bomb. This product, can't live without. I also put that in my spray bottle. Now, my ultimate new find and also favorite that I've yet to cover a review on, but I will do it soon, is this Main Choice 24 karat gold twisting jelly. Like, when I say this is a new favorite of mine, like a absolute favorite. Like, I just so happened to look up on this on Black Friday and got it on sale, and y'all, I can't live without this product. I will be purchasing this product forever. Okay, when I say it makes bomb twist outs and bomb braid outs, oh my gosh. For my type hair, type 4 hair, girl, get your life with this Main Choice. Get your life. Now, my second favorite of the Main Choice would have to be this product, which is the Daily Restorative Spray, and it's the Tropical Moringa. That's the Tropical Moringa line by the Main Choice. Me and Nevaeh use this every single day, like to moisturize our hair, to put up our hair in styles, like to maintain a style. This is what we have been using. The Main Choice Coconut and Lemonade, Pink Lemonade Curl Boosting Sherbet. This stuff smells so good and it feels so good in the hair. Like, I love this product. Now, it's similar to the Shea Moisture's Curl Milk. It's the consistency of it, a little bit slightly thicker than that Shea Moisture Curl Milk. But the fragrance is what sold me on this product. And also, I love it in combination with that Daily Restorative Spray. Y'all, this has got to be by far like my favorite leave-in right now. And I've been using the mess out of this. And I just got this on after Black Friday. It's the Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In Conditioner. Like, when I say, girl, you ain't gonna want to do your hair with nothing else when you get this product. Like, you gonna be spritzing it in your hair even if you didn't wet your hair. You're gonna be using this as a styler, okay? Because when I tell you this stuff leaves your hair feeling so magical, like, it's almost gone, y'all. I'm scraping the bottom of the barrel with this. And that leads me to my next product. Y'all, this right here. This Babasu Mint Oil Deep Conditioner by My Organics. Y'all. Leave your hair pillow soft. I'm talking about like, literally like soft curls. That's like, you could bury your face in those curls, baby. Those things you could fall asleep on. Y'all not hearing me. If you got the chance to go and get you a product by The Main Choice or Maya Organics or even Shea Moisture, because y'all know I live and die by Shea Moisture, but I did deviate and I'm glad I did because I love these products. Like, love these products. Now, I did kind of test out both oils from The Main Choice, which is this one right here, it's her growth oil, and also the Maya Organics Mint Peony oil. I haven't tested them enough to know which one would be my favorite, so I'll just list that both of them are my favorite. I do use them in my scalp when I'm protective styling, and I also use them when I'm taking out a twist out or a bantu knot out to coat the hair to make it pop, to give it that shine that I'm looking for. So I think that would be all of my favorites of 2017. Y'all, my favorite gel for edges. Favorite gel for edges. Boom. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. At first, I was not digging this Eco Style gel. At first, I hated it, y'all. I hated it because it shrunk my hair up. For us type 4 naturals, do not use this gel for a twist out because it will shrink your hair up. Now, it does add bounce, but if you want something that's going to elongate your hair, you need to get something to couple with this gel. So this is my favorite gel for slicking down a pony, like a slick middle part pony or a side pony, or laying down my edges, girl, because you all know you got that favorite gel that you want to lay your edges with. This is that. I use this gel only for those purposes. I do not use this gel for wash and go, and I do not use it for twist outs or braid outs because it will be an epic fail as far as elongating it. Now, don't get me wrong, it does bring the shine in your twist outs and braid outs, but you will experience major shrinkage, like major shrinkage. So, with that being said, that wraps up my favorites for 2017. I hope that you guys will come along with the ride with me in 2018, and we can figure out what our best products or favorite products are for this year. I hope your holidays were blessed. I hope that you all enjoyed your time with your family and loved ones, and you had a great time. But if you have not subscribed to your girl channel, you know what to do. Yes, go ahead and click on that button to subscribe to your girl's channel and turn that bell on so you won't miss a video. Alright guys, love you, and until next time in the next video. Bye. This is my boo, Devin.